Oh, Franny. Fiona. Ah, Trisha.
What up, dude?
What up?
I'm trying to get this truck ready for that show tomorrow.
Yeah.
Guess I don't get plates for Marla tomorrow.
Yeah.
I had to put all new lights on. Now I'm just wiring them out, trying to get those working, and got one bad headlight bulb I got to get working. And I really don't want to take this truck to the show because the bumper's not in the center of the truck and pisses me off. Had I ever seen that picture Chad took, I would have never noticed. But now that I know it's off 1 inch to the left, now it drives me crazy.
Mine sticks over further on the right, too.
I hate it. If I'd have never seen that picture, dude, I wouldn't even care.
But mine's a W900 bumper anyway,
well,
so.
This is probably too.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, because mine, I had to drill holes there, too.
Yep, so it's probably a W9 bumper.
That's why mine's got lights, bullet lights, and all these extra holes. Because they fit right in there.
Yeah, I'm just going to get these lights working and have this truck ready. I'm going to be at the DMV or the tag office tomorrow when they open.
Yeah.
To see, I've got insurance on Candy and Marla now, so
Yeah.
I gotta see what's up. Maybe get my Georgia license and get those trucks plated. Do you can you do personal conveyance in your truck legally?
Yeah.
Oh. It's interesting.
Alright guys, so there you have it. My job is done. I rewired that sleeper panel with all the HVAC controls. Turns out the rheostat's bad. Slash thermostat. It's bad, so we'll probably have to find one of those. Right now it's going to be on AC constantly, I believe. I don't think we'll be able to switch it over to heat with the thermostat control. So, yeah, but it's working. It's noisy. It's not too bad in the truck, actually. Oh. Yow. Give me my leg back, Marla. Alright. So, yeah, and when I talk about the thermostat or rheostat, it's this right here. It should be, see, it's on AC. So when I switch it over to heat, it should kick off. It shouldn't stay on the way it is now. Yeah, when I move that towards the hot, it should kick off. And see, now we got nothing on heat because this isn't telling it, hey, we're on heat, we need to kick on. But he's got plenty. Yeah. Blowing some 30-year-old mouse poop out of there. But at least it's blowing. So, yep. So the rewire worked well. Here's some more stuff trying to come up. Got high, low, off, and AC. Alright guys, well that's it for me. My job with Marla is done for now.